Alright, in this video, what happens when you try to turn on your tap, these modern taps, and nothing happens on one side and the other side does work. It means that there's an insert in there that allows the water to pass through, has malfunctioned somehow, or you may have a blockage, which is very, very bad. Always check, of course, the obvious thing, is it turned on at your pipe here? Yes, it is turned on. So in this case, because we're going to make some changes, we're going to change the insert. Now it's the time to turn it off. So if you have a modern one like that, just twist it clockwise and that turns it off, cuts off the water. But that also means that you need some tools and you need some spare equipment. So the insert looks like this. Check your own. The only way you can really do it is to turn the tap off, take the insert out and then measure it and then put it back together and then turn it back on, buy it and wait for it to arrive in the post for you can do it. So this one is VR5. Alright, I bought it from tapmagician.co.uk and opens by turning it anti-clockwise. Likewise, if I was to turn it now, nothing was coming out anyway, but anti-clockwise. So you'll just need a few tools. On this one, you need a little kind of a pick. Don't let it fall down the drain. Make sure you do that so it won't happen. And you'll need a spanner for the outer diameter. And this is 17. So there should be different ones with cold and hot. I don't really know why that is, but I've got to be careful of that. There used to be a magnet that held it together. Oh, the magnet's still there. Here it is. Pull the magnet off, stick it on there, stick that on there. That's better. There's usually a little kind of see that? See that? There's a little tiny little place where you can wedge it underneath. Careful you don't scratch the paintwork. In this case I'm just going to rotate it so I get better access to it. Needs a bit of prizing off. Get around the edges. And a bit of lime scale keeping it in there. It looks a bit crusty. I haven't taken it off in a while. That's fine. So you should, when you look inside, see that? That'll be for the cover, or the cover. Once I take that screw off, it should come off. So in addition, I need a screwdriver. Let's get a screwdriver. Always make sure you have the right one. If this one doesn't fit, just get another one. Make sure it inserts all the way in. And if it doesn't first come out, see if you get a better fit with another one. These are good. These kind of Phillips are good, but only if you have the right screwdriver. Okay, so it was the bigger one. The smaller one, I can feel it slightly not working or giving away. Unscrew it. So I should just bring the twisting mechanism, the handle off. Make sure you keep everything. That should come off. Wiggle. Simple as that. So that is the inside of there. And it's got teeth on it. So I'll give that a little clean. And that makes no difference really. And this stuff is chrome plated. Underneath is cheap metal, and they just stuck it on some electrodes and plated it with chrome, so never scratch this stuff. Well, saying I'm using a screwdriver, never kind of use an abrasive on it, because the smooth chrome-like exterior can flake off. Right, so now we're getting down to business. Zoom in a bit. Right, so yes, it does fit. I had a feeling it could be 16. It does wobble a little bit. Make sure you get hold of it, and I'm just going. There we go, nice and easy. So we'll find out what's wrong with it. It's barely rotating. Barely rotating. I couldn't even twist it before. Couldn't even twist it with the handle on. Alright, so it's different. I remember changing the insert on there. This left side was very much like this. That's very different. That's how I knew the violet by the VR5. Oh well, we'll find out. So we've got the screw in it. It's much shorter. I'm going to use the old screw. So the mechanism, I guess in this case it's the screw that counts. Not too tight, just tight enough. And the O-ring is going to do its job. Let's just get this on there. Let's do that. So off at the moment. I'll screw it back on. Turn tab back on. No water leaking. Alright, we got it. Simple as that. I don't know why it weren't working. Maybe it just wasn't retracting. So you see. Absolutely fine. Just hit the like, subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and if you are a subscriber, always thank you, and take this chance to thank all my subscribers all around the world, wherever you may be from. I just had a look. I've got subscribers in all parts of the world, including Iraq, Iran, Pakistan, USA, lots of viewers from USA, Philippines, lots and lots of from UK. So thanks for watching.